Why are diversity indexes often misinterpreted? Imagine trying to understand a complex picture with just a small piece of the puzzle. That's what interpreting diversity indexes can feel like. These numbers are often misunderstood because they don't tell the full story at a glance. Diversity indexes are designed to measure how likely it is that to randomly chosen people from an area belong to different racial or ethnic groups. The scale runs from 0 to 100, where 0 means everyone is from the same group, and 100 indicates a perfect mix of evenly spread groups. But many people think that a score of 50 means half the population belongs to one group and the other half to another. That's not quite right. It actually reflects the chance that two people picked at random are from different groups, not the exact percentage of each group. Another tricky part is that these indexes combine many racial and ethnic categories into one number. For example, they might include groups like white, black or African American, Hispanic or Latino, Asian, and others. Some indexes also consider whether someone is Hispanic or not, which adds a second layer of complexity. People often overlook this, thinking the number is just about race, but it also includes ethnicity, making the measure more layered than it seems. Plus, the indexes don't show which groups are present or how many people belong to each. Two areas can have the same diversity score, but very different racial and ethnic compositions. One might have a small number of very diverse groups, while another has many groups but with uneven sizes. So, a high score doesn't always mean the same thing across different places. It's also common to assume that the highest possible score, 100, is easily reached. But in reality, the way data is grouped and collected from the Census Bureau makes hitting that maximum very unlikely. When people see a high but not perfect score, they might think there's less diversity than there actually is. Geography plays a role too. A neighborhood might have a high diversity index, but the same score in a larger city or a different state might mean something else entirely. The scale of analysis can change what the index really indicates. And don't forget, these indexes change over time. Younger populations tend to be more diverse than older ones, so a city's score might be different now than it was 10 years ago. Without considering these shifts, people can easily misinterpret what the numbers mean about social and racial dynamics. In the end, understanding what diversity indexes really measure helps us see the bigger picture. They are useful tools, but they are just one piece of a much larger story about racial and ethnic makeup in the United States. Recognizing their limitations and how they are calculated keeps us from jumping to wrong conclusions about the diversity in any community.